Yom Tov. I'm Marc Rivo from Miami Beach, Florida. I just spent an incredible week with Leave Note in Sderot with volunteers, all adults, rebuilding the communities of Otef Gaza along the Gaza border. And I heard Aaron's dream, and that is for Leave Note to have the young people of America and around the world to come to Tzfat to rebuild the north so the Israelis can come back to Kiryat Shmona and Metula. 80,000 of them are waiting to return. And for we adults to go to Sderot, to rebuild the communities of the South, to be transformed, and then to donate to Leave Note so Leave Note can do its important work to strengthen the Jewish people of Israel and the diaspora. Bezrat Hashem, God's help and your support, we will help Leave Note fulfill its dream. Todah.